What if your employer doesn't want to provide you an employment certificate for you to be able to apply for permanent residency in Canada? Will it stop you to go for it? Hi, this is Norlene Oligosarma, your licensed immigration consultant. For me, I highly recommend for you to apply permanent residency, pursue your permanent residency application. Never allow your employer to stop you applying for permanent residency if you know that you're qualified and you have worked for at least 6 months inside Canada. So what you're going to do is that, number one, make a cover letter for your application for permanent residency stating that your employer doesn't want to provide you an employment certificate for whatever reason. You can be honest to the immigration officer can actually ignore that employment certificate by providing, number two, bank statement, number three, T4, if you have notice of assessment, and of course the pay stubs that you've been receiving. So those are already a big or huge proof in order for you to be able to qualify for that permanent residency application under whatever caregiver program. Another technique is that you can always leave them after working for 6 months. You know why? Because you can be able to demand a record of employment. So when you leave them, definitely employers has to provide a record of employment, if not the T4, but they are obliged to provide a record of employment. If they don't provide that, you can call the Labor or Service Canada for them to collect that record of employment from your employer, and in order for you to be able to get that. Right now, I've been hearing a lot of employees who doesn't receive that employment certificate because a lot of employers doesn't want to support them because they don't want to lose their caregivers. Isn't it unfair? But again, at the end of the day, if you want to more clarification, or maybe I can feel if they cannot provide you that, maybe I suspect that you are under vulnerable situation, maybe you can apply for open permit under that kind of application. Now, if you are not sure about anything, please don't forget to connect with me, get a consultation with me, and clarify everything. I can lead you, I can guide you. I'm licensed. This is Norlene Oligosarma, an immigration specialist who can fight for you, and I will never give you an advice that is sugar-coated. It is all based on immigration law and, of course, my experience as an immigration consultant for more than 7 years now. Take care, everyone.